In this section, we will look at the flow of information through the e-file system, including how incoming correspondences are received, processed, and communicated out. Let's divide the information workflow largely into three components. Number 1. Receiving and distributing correspondence. 2. Processing in files. 3. Issuing correspondence from files. Come, let's see them. Receiving and distributing correspondences. All correspondences to a department can arrive from various places such as other government entities, citizens, private sector, NGOs, and etc. Letters can arrive in different ways, physically or digitally via emails, directly from e-office users, and even from the third-party applications. When they arrive, they go through a process of diarization. Now, what's diarization? Diarization, or registration of inward communication or DAC, includes capturing of the necessary information, such as letter number, letter date, its subject, language, VIP reference if any, contact details of the sender, etc., and generating a unique identification number or receipt number for it in the system. This unique number helps in easy tracking. Also, this relevant information helps to sort, organize, and prioritize our work in the digital ecosystem. This diarized letter, now called as receipt, is forwarded to the concerned officers or section, which is called as distribution. Thereafter, receipt can be either processed in a file or it can be closed if it is received for information purpose only. Now, coming to the next component in the flow, that is, processing receipts in files. A file is a folder consisting of related papers on a specific subject, having a unique number based on chosen file heads. All incoming and outgoing letters are recorded on its correspondences side and the notes portion where all decisions are recorded. And all of this happens as the files travel from one user to another in its channel of submission. Occasionally, supplementary documents, known as annexures, are required to complement our file. One key feature here is the linkage of e-file application with another application in e-office product suite, that is, Knowledge Management System or KMS. Think of KMS as knowledge repository which holds orders, rulings, and precedents of the department. Using this linkage, we can fetch such information from the repository and use them to build references. And now, moving on to our last component of the flow, issuing correspondences from files, which can be done by use of drafts. We use drafts to communicate outside our files. Sometimes, we reply to the sender of a receipt in our file. Other times, we reach out sender or others for extra input. Or, when a decision is made, it is communicated to the respective people. These draft letters follow the due process of revisions, approval, finally signing, and then dispatching them through appropriate ways. We can send our letters via all available mediums with which we receive them, such as postal, email, or to other e-office users, both inside and outside our organization. The letters can also be pushed to other third-party applications via web services available. The dispatch to other e-office users allows seamless diarization and hence completing the e-office cycle of information flow. And this is how the complete system forms a filing system digitally by use of file management system. The system not only allows the dispatch of information from one ministry or organization to another, however also allows movement of files from one to another, making it a complete one nation one product solution. Other key features include alerts via SMS and emails notifies users about the received files and receipts. The application's search module allows users to search for files or receipts and find out their current status or location. We also offer a set of web services that let organizations connect their own applications with e-file. This can help citizens track their letters and let departments create dashboards for better decision-making, showing things like pending files and priority categories. eMonitor, we provide detailed reports that show how users, sections, and departments are doing. These reports cover things like how many files were made, handled, response times, letters sent, and other productivity measures. eAudit allows auditors to digitally request and audit the files in read-only mode. eArchive, once the cases are complete from action, they are then closed, maintained in the section's closed repository. This preserves our records for posterity. It's like a digital time capsule, safeguarding our history. In next video, we will see how to get into the application.